Good evening, everyone. Welcome to ADAP, the Parent's Voice. If you are watching this educational segment, it's brought to you by the Association of Exchange, Development of Activities, and Partnership, ADAP. 5 letters, like a hand, it's a movement. We associate, we exchange, and we develop activities together to bring partnership. Amos and I, we're gonna be facilitating the parent voice, voix parent. This segment is designed to really bring conversation with parents from pre-K to 12. Then it's a bilingual segment. It will be in English and in Creole. Nous voulons, depuis 2 ans, nous travaillons sur ça pour nous porter pour voix parents. Voix parents, c'est un espace côté que parents qui get timoun yo dans système éducation dans l'État Floride là, depuis ti 4-4, jardin d'enfants, jusqu'à ce que yo gagne fini dans soirée les high school, 12e grade, que nous partager sentiments nous fait voir nous sortir tout, nous parler de problèmes nous parler de préoccupations nous et puis nous porter solutions. Voix parents, the Parent Voice, it's a platform, a unique platform where the parent voices matter. Also, we are also providers. We are also teachers and educators. But often, it is like the providers always telling parents what to do. But hey, whether you are a provider, you are a parent, this platform is fair for you. Parent Voices is your platform. Amos, today we said we were gonna navigate our experience from period 1 because the school year, the school calendar year 2020-2021 started in August. Not August, it was pushed to September because of a pandemic. How are you, parent? How
Good evening.
are you doing?
Good evening, parents.
That first period studied for you. Can you share your testimonial?
I would like to say good evening, every parents, and I'm happy you guys here listen to our little segment, and you guys have a lot to learn. And the first period wasn't hard, because we were ready since March. The pandemic came in March, so the kids were home in March, and I believe since it started in March. When it first started, everybody got, all the teachers, parents didn't know what to do because we were not ready for this chaos. And also we were not trained to teach the student online. We didn't have a platform was ready so we could teach the student and also for the student to receive the education. It was not easy. But for the first period, it became a bit more easier because because of March, we got ourselves ready. In the summer, we went to workshop, do some training. We also learned the program that we're gonna use so to facilitate the kids better.
Amos, ou c'est haïtien, ou parle créole, ou le système nan, ou son professeur mathématique, là qui classe ou enseigné?
M'enseigner dans le niveau 12e grade, m'enseigner 12e grade, 11e grade, et il y a quelques élèves qui sont 10e grade qui sont dans la classe.
Là qui grade ou dit enseigner Amos?
De 9e à 12e, mais année, ça me gagne plus 12e grade. 12e grade élève.
Ah, ok. Ça veut dire que un parent qui a gardé là, les haïtiens, a parent that is watching you right now will have a little bit of empathy for you because you also a teacher and also you're part of the system. Then you are sharing your testimonial. On that. Then in Parent Voice today, your testimonial is that you studied in school, but you got some training.
You got some.
Ça dit nous, il était prend training comme professeur.
But ça qui passe tout, l'année fait commencer à l'école était ouverte en septembre. Élèves étaient paniqués en pile parce qu'ils étaient dit pas qu'à apprendre et par contre qui gens qui interaction les questions qui apprendre. But si puisque il y a un professeur qui prend ça comme le teaching is the art, so si vous avez une passion là-dedans, soit obligé d'utiliser des tactiques pour que vous faire élèves apprendre, capable comprendre quoi comme si c'est dans la classe. So you know pas que m'était établi élèves un self confident. Me dire élèves que c'est ça pour faire depuis au présent, yo bon attention yo, il va gagner rien pour yo battre tout problème, mais je suis qui me fait que ça c'est comme si que était avec moi face à face. So
ça veut dire que les années scolaires ont commencé et
il était paniqué,
l'année
parce
scolaire a
que
commencé en septembre. The school year started in September.
September.
So as a teacher, then you had no experience in teaching online, no? But you receive a level of training, you said, during summer.
The level of training I received in the summer was not enough. The fact that I have gained background dans technologie, moi facilité tête moi pour m'apprendre. So même dit que t'apprendre tête moi avoir des bons training là.
Ça veut dire que yon parent qui le système qui ouais pour nous même qui professeur moi à moi si même au moins il dit que il a expérience en technologie mais si le professeur par exemple ou monde n'est pas parce que professeur si c'est apprendre ou pas apprendre petit monde li c'est pas computer connaît moi bon comme c'est l'éducation supérieure moyenne dans l'université m'te gon avantage sur Amos ça veut dire que et la m'a mis des collèges que m'étais capable toujours continuer à enseigner élèves avec l'autre université privée que m'enseignais et me connaît malgré ou même ou enseigner high school et puis middle school c'est ça high school surtout
High school avec collège.
OK high school avec collège moi même collège ce qui implique que émotionnellement emotionally it was not easy for the students to adjust. Then both ways, then parents, teachers, and also the students, we all went to that emotional shock.
Yeah, it was very hard.
Watching and listening the parents' voice, a platform where we parents, we are sharing freely our experience with COVID during 2021. We are continuing that reflection, Amos. Then you were talking about instilling self-confidence on the students.
Yes, self-confident. Yes, self-confident. You know pas que pour faire parce que élèves là des fois que pas même le gen téléphone là mais technologie à la main yo mais il pas contre qui pour utiliser. So the fact que élèves plus na hands on puis tu vas avoir face à face, tu pas expecter tu pas give level of confidence where people
yeah, but for people now watching us in English, what is that part that you're trying to say right now? We want it to be captured in English as well.
What I'm trying to say, there are kids who are not, even though they have the technology, they have self-confidence enough to apply it in terms of educational wise. They be using Facebook, YouTube, or name it, you know. But when it comes to education, they were not able expertise in that part. And also the fact that they all their life they've been in a classroom where the teacher was physically teaching them. Now,
okay, I got you. That means if you your habit is to be an in-person contact,
yes,
you're gonna be resistant to the change, and that's what you're trying to share.
Yeah. So what I did, there's also my classes I was teaching. The kids were not self-confident. They were worrying. They said they didn't know how to pass the class. I don't know I'm going to do my homework. I'm not understanding. I don't know what's going on. I tell them, just relax. I'm going to teach you from ground zero. And guess what happened? They had the option.
Something also that happened. And
guess what happened to the floor? They had the option to come to school. Guess what happened? Instead of come to school, they stay home.
Okay, even though they had the options to come to school,
They stay home. Guess what happened? I built their level of confidence. Now they love the homeschool. Then come to class.
ok, ok. Ça veut dire que ti moun malgré te jeune option, pou li te ale l'école là, then en pile là de te préféré rester la carte. But as a parent, I did choose the option of having my kids stay home because I was very afraid with the pandemic, I must. Then
Yeah.
what choices did you make at the time? Did you
No, my kids they stay home. Like you
yours
said,
stay home
I
as well?
was very afraid because we really were not gonna go hug their friend, do a handshake. Their social distance will not be respected. So therefore, since I have the choice to keep my kids.
Ok, ebyen mwen menm tou, mte chwazi pou pitit pam yo rete la kay pendant premier période. Ça veut dire que nous faisons un sacrifice de septembre à décembre, ebyen men deux parents haïtiens, here we are, two Caribbean, two black parents, two a man and a woman, and minority groups, but also educators and teachers, high school and higher education, then our pain is the same. Then we want people watching this segment to feel like whether you are an administrator in the school system, whether you are an educator, we are all went to the same pain and we were all in need and we still in need together. Then parent voices is every voices. That's why ADAP wanted to uplift you, to really share the level of empathy for us to really invite you to be part of that show. Then as an introduction to you today, we let you know that there is a program. It is on radio, it is on television, it is in social media called the Parent Voices. We've been massaging it since 2018 because we want to invite parents, whether you are a police officer as well, come and tell us your story. Call Amos, call me. Be our guest, be part of the Parent Voice. Show your different hats, but let your voice be
heard.
Amos, where can people contact you?
They can contact me at 786-543-3014.
Very good. And me, 786-521-7321. You can call me if you want to be part of the show, you want something for us to listen, and we're gonna do it together. Then we started by telling you 2021, Parent Voices is telling you that it was new. The pandemic hit
is
hard. And we all, not all, but most of us chose to have our children at home. Then can you believe that, Amos? We had to taking care of our children at home, and we have to take care of children also.
Amen. Yes, this is really.
Okay, then that's why we have to let our voices, our emotion, we have to share.
It was really hard. As I was,
it was hard, and we are not a blaming platform. We are really an association of exchange, and we developed this platform called Parent Voices. Voix parents yo, pour nous lever monter, pour nous partager douleur, pour nous dire que quitte c'est docteur Flore, quitte c'est professeur Jean-Claude, nous tous nous le même bateau. Jusqu'à ce que nous rencontrions encore, moi-même à Amos ka mené ou invité, n'a pas essayé chaque 2 semaines rencontrer avant l'an voix parents. Then Amos, anything you want to tell them until we meet again?
Yeah, all I would semble dire parents yo, c'est que avec patience n'a privé, c'est un bail que nous tous pas pareil pour les mêmes, mais nous tous pas prendre ensemble. Et ce qu'on y a là parole après qui difficulté que professeur te gagner avec élèves yo dans la classroom là. Parce que pour bien dire spécialement ti moun 5 ans yo, pour parents et professeur teach la kayo, is that really easy? The 5 years old to have them sit down to
5 ans aussi,
listen.
avait 5 ans.
5 ans.
Si 4 yo avait dit que ça fait moi dit nous éducation nous pas qu'à quitter preschool yo derrière, il pas qu'à K to 12, c'est pre-K to 12 pour lier et tout ça que gagner pas gagner élection etc. C'est ça mouvement, il son mouvement qui pas doit mourir, son mouvement de partager comme si importance éducation et nous fait à travers ministère, nous à travers organisation à but non lucratif, nous à travers AUDA. Eh bien, Amos, nous content, nous continuer partager voix pendant pilote. Par contre, qui parle on va joindre, moi-même par contre qui parle on va joindre. En tout cas, téléphone nous encore et puis m'a bay pam pour yo relé pour yo participer le mouvement voix parler.
Téléphone c'est 786 53 34 786 543 3014.
Eh bien, moi-même, c'est 786 521 73 21. À bientôt, Amos.
À bientôt. Se voit parents yo, bonne nuit et puis tout n'attend parents yo.
C'est ça. À bientôt.
OK, bye bye.
Bye bye.